This AI tool just replaced an entire job category overnight. Here's the thing about 5 free AI tools that replace expensive software in 2026. Most people are approaching it completely wrong. They spend hours doing it manually, making mistakes, and missing opportunities. And in today's world, that's not just inefficient, it's costing you real money and time. That's where this changes everything. What I'm about to show you takes what used to be a complicated, time-consuming process and makes it straightforward. The key insight is understanding the underlying pattern that most people miss. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. And it changes how you approach 5 free AI tools that replace expensive software in 2026 forever. Let me walk you through exactly how this works in practice. First, you need to understand the baseline. Most people start from the wrong place entirely. Instead, start here. The first step is recognizing the pattern. Once you see it, everything clicks. The second step is applying the framework I'm about to show you. This is where the real transformation happens. And third, you need to measure your results. Without measurement, you're just guessing. And guessing in 5 free AI tools that replace expensive software in 2026 is expensive. Here's the bottom line. If you're dealing with 5 free AI tools that replace expensive software in 2026, this approach will save you time, money, and frustration. Whether you're just starting out or you've been at this for years, there's something here that will change your results. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment with your biggest question. And check the links in the description for everything I mentioned.